I'm going to show you now some other things that we could do under that Insert tab. So I'm going to add another slide right now. And if I go back up to Insert, and they're also right here as well. So these are just handy dandy things right here in case you don't want to go to Insert. Insert, Word Art. Now, people are very familiar with Word Art from Microsoft Word. Same thing here. I can just, once I click on Word Art, this box comes up. I can put hello in there, and boom, I get this lovely hello word art. It's like an image. You can't really change it much at all, but if I double click on it, I can change the words. If I just have it clicked on it and the box is around it, I can make it smaller and larger. I can also change the font by just having the box around it and then going up to the font menu, drop down menu, and go down to a font I like. And I can move this anywhere I want. With word art, you always need to use one line. So anytime I make a word art, if this was 1,000 words, 1,000 words are going to be in one line. So sometimes you need to break that up into separate word arts. So for example, if I go back up to Insert Word Art, and I write a paragraph here like, hello world, I hope you are enjoying this. Click enter. It's one large line. I would need to break this up if I wanted this to be on an entire slide. So I can get rid of this, enter, and then add a whole nother word art for a separate line. Once again, change the font, you click, come up to font, click the font. You can make it bold as well. You can make it italicized as well. You can change the color by going to this fill color, this paint can. I can change it to green. I can change this also to blue with the paint can. If I click on this and then I click on the pencil, that's going to change the line that's kind of surrounding it. So if I wanted to change the line to red, you can see there's some red around there. And then I can also make the line heavier if I wanted to. So not just 1 pixel, but I can make up to 4. And you can see how that changes that word art. Same thing down here. If I click on that, I change the fill color to black. I change the line color to purple, or not purple, yellow. I change the line width to 24. That's way too heavy. I can change the line width to like 12. That's still too heavy. And there we go. Boom. That's word art. Next, I want to show you how to have drawings on there. So once again, I just clicked and created a new slide. If I go to Insert Line, I can create a line, I can create an arrow, an elbow connector, a curve, so on and so forth. I'll create an arrow. It's going to give me this little plus button, and I just hold my mouse in and I just make the arrow as long as I want it to be, and boom, I have an arrow. From there, I can make it smaller, I can make it larger. And up here as well, there's going to be some different options I could do. I can make this at line weight up to 8. I can make the arrow a little different, like a box or a circle. I could have it start the other way if I wanted to. All that fun stuff. I can also go to Insert. I go to Shape. I can have insert a fun shape like a smiley face. Once again, I click on the smiley face. This plus sign comes up. I click, I drag, and we have a smiley face. Once again, the paint can. If I want to change the color, if I want to change the color of the lines, if I want to change how heavy the lines are, I can do all that fun stuff right from that menu.